Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing or disappearing photos on Realme Narzo Power. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management and scroll down and search photos app from here. Click on photos app. If you want to fix this problem, click on storage usage and clear cache photos app. After clear cache photos app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on photos app and check your hidden albums. So after check your hidden albums, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on again photos app and click on albums and click on recently deleted and check your recycle bin. After check recycle bin, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing or disappearing photos on Realme Narzo Power. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.